Ghana police, in collaboration with Nigerian police, arrested 2 Nigerian kidnappers who fly from Nigeria to Ghana to continue their kidnapping business. Guys, this one loud though. Guys, according to the video, these notorious kidnappers were coming to Ghana. I know so many questions will be running through your head. How did the Ghanaian police know that they are coming to Ghana, right? Okay, this is where Nigerian police came in. The information was given by Nigerian police, and guess what, guys? That made everything easier for them. Yeah, everything was as if they were waiting for their arrival. Guys, what I'm about to say right now, I think I've said it in so many of my videos. I don't know why, if a Nigerian, all those criminals, when they commit crime in Nigeria and they are looking for them, the first place they think of coming na Ghana. Yes, it's Ghana. Ghana is where they feel will be safe for them. And that's because they cannot travel to Cotonou. Yes, they cannot travel to Cotonou because they no sabi speak French. They can't travel to Togo because they no sabi speak French. Cameroon self get their own. Now I see the reason why Nigerian police alerted Ghanaian police. Yes, they told them. So they were waiting for them. It's as if they are waiting for them. I love this collaboration, seriously. I think they should be doing this more often. If they do it, the rate of crimes will reduce. Since they already understand their tactics, that when a criminal is running out of the country in Ghana, they think of coming. They should be alerting, they should be letting the Ghanaian police know when they are looking for a criminal in Nigeria. Because of course, most of them, na Ghana did they run come. You cannot speak French. Where will carry you go French country? But then guys, let me allow you watch the video. And at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
2 Nigerians have been arrested and the intelligence actually came from Nigeria. And now Ghana police has also arrested the 2 people here.
Chronicle the Bokratano, Nakata Fato Sumiensa, what the assembly ababeto asi. Chronicle Aquacotia Sembia or de ababetuja inti. We ashaya na wase Ghana titru ni empanimfo Nigeria fo no wo mo efre no ogboro fo no wo mo eye ahyeyi papa esan se senkade we yi a me be ka ho asemi senkomutumi ye yi anka ya so be yepa ya attention nka e be divert na we na chronicle we ba amane se ya chi Nigeria de hye mienu ye de o makopie mu Accra Circuit Court ye de o mo ekoye no Kwadwa ya de bo womo ene se womo ba Ghana memu ha sei aba be kidnappe womo be che nkrofo womo de womo akọ Niger Delta no so sie nim se eho ye wonipa bi wo ho a womo ye atuate dom wo saa empotamu ho wo Nigeria man ni mo ye se womo ye enkane no mu na ye adwuma ena womo abo womo tirimu pose womo ba Ghana memu ha sei Mama be kidnappe womo mu ensemu bi omo yenim womo ogborofo no na yasan ahwenya ogborofo no nko ase obi a wodi obi a ofiri oman foforo na wabepie mu Ghana memu ha sei na omo tu no de okosha wawie a ekwan ya obo befa so afre wabusuafo na womo di sika aba ansa na ye gyawo no eno ene womo etirimu po a wonom eboye na Chronicle do Bokata akye se enipa mieni yachi obi a ye friend Joseph Howell Wanya emfichie bia 9 years 43 years. What say a private security officer. And about your friend Jaffet Graham. O emfichie duonum years 53 years. One also say a businessman. Na anypani no do am kopie mu wo court no. Her Anna Susanna Edufo and what na ase. Opanyina wo ba wo mu kwadu. I wo court ho no. What say we aye chief inspector Jacob Malo Kubal or your esquire or your posinier. Oye lawyer. Na asem nchire mu nyina ani. Wo trese aposifo eye ebobo so me September ni da na etoso nsia. E na Nigeria aposifo intelligence unit won Interpol. Wo mo efre Ghana aposifo ka kire wo mo se. Ye nuanom se de ye ne mu di kaso bom e wo ebibrem ha sei no. Asem se ni ate. Ene se ya de hye bi abo madwene mu po. Se wo mo e ba Ghana ha sei. Wo ma be cheche ogborofo no. Wo mo kire se Nigeria fo no mo ka se obi ye ogborobo. Na chese nipa kro wo sika pa obi a nsem obie obi a oye odefo enti wo ba no ba ba cheche saa enipa bi high profile individuals na wo de wo afa boda no so saa no de wo makopie mu e wo Niger Delta no so na ho ne de wo nya dura ye wo ankasa wo territory na se ba bi a wo ma ba wo sesen enti kwan obefa so abeba beje wo ne se agi se odi sika ba e na wo ahwe agya nipa kro no de amount na bra wo fa Ghana aposifo no ɛna ɔmo kyɛ sɛ saa nipa wɔn susu sɛ wɔn yɛ Nigeria fo ɛndi wɔn nim sɛ wɔn yɛ Nigeria fo na mmom wɔn susu sɛ Ghana ha sɛ wɔn ba na wɔn aba bɛdi bɔnɛn na deɛ kɔkɔ yɛ nie wɔn kyerɛ sɛ saa nipa yi wɔn yɛ Nigeria de hyɛ wɔn ebi baako wɔ Lagos baako ɛwɔ Ondo State ɛna baako wɔ Delta River saa nipa mmiɛnsa yi a wɔn kasa wɔ telephone so ɛma wɔn ɛte yɛ no yɛfrɛ baako Matthew wɔn na wɔ Lagos no ɛna baako de ɛyɛ Smart Christmas Alfred ono na wo Ondo State na baako so de Adusa Ayile wono e wo Delta River na omo fra obi e fra no Tari Tiemo ono wo Ghana ha sei wono ne Nigeria fo no na e kasa nti wono de yese wo aflawo ho na wo ti one omo di nkomo ka kire omo sei wo mo bema sa nipa miensen obi a ebenya 1.5 million naira na guess what ye de ba Ghana scam no 20,000 Ghana cedis to omo 20,000 Ghana cedis no dia mo mabusuafo e wo Nigeria ho no ma ba Ghana ha sei aba ba yesa adwuma na cheche nkofo e de wonom akọ afei wo mo kasa no wo mo ba wo tiri mo pose wo mo the speed boats e na e be ba Ghana ha nti enye se bia wo mo fa plane na wo mo nante de bia na wo mo de car na eba wo mo de wo mo ba fa empona no saa no na wo mo aba beduru e na wo mo kire se da bi wo mo ba wo mo hwe so wo be hwe yen ya posifo no ana say soja we say ye soja fo mo wonsuo mo say ye aposifo wo be hwe security uniform eno mo de abanti so security uniform de no wo ba wo bia che no ka so bi o post ni ana o soja ni a enya dia obi a ebe bi so o mo questions bebre na ka o mo de ababewura o mayimu na eno na intelligence no wo mo e kan wasem e de kire Ghana aposifo e bobo so ne director so nsia ene ye ho na aposifo boabo mo no so okay enipa no ye frɛ no tie mu no Tari Tiemo no wo mo be hwehwe ne kira kwan ena wo intelligence no wo mo wura ma no mo hu say aflawo no e wo Volta region ena wo no be hwɛ nti wo mo tracy course no Tiemo no kola no waye no eye woni Graham no ene hawa no woni wo mo akasa ena wo di akira akokọ Tiemo no ena Tiemo no timi ehwe ye ma wo mo chi eye hawa Graham no nti se ya chi Nigeria fo no mienu ena Tari Tiemo no wo Ghana ha se ya woni wo mo edi nkita ho na no na aposifo se abra wo mo tutu se nipa nyina no wo mo ye wo ma dwen se wo mo se wo mo nim we se onim we so onim we ena ebisa wo mo se kwan be na mo fa so be pie mu Ghana ha che se wo ma fa kwan pa so wo mo se wo mo nim we se onim we so onim we ena ebisa wo mo se kwan be na mo fa so be pie mu Ghana ha che so wo ma fa kwan pa so wo mo efa kwamone so ena wo mo be pie mu Ghana ma mu ha sei ena ebisa wo mo se de ba de na mo ba be ye wo Ghana ha we se wo ba ba gi ni sika e de free Tiemo ho Tiemo no odi ano no e de business na no wo se won de ba ko no so ye security how well no so ye security person eti ni sika ka Tiemo ho 20,000 1.5 million naira no ba beji ana Graham no so say won so ba beji ni sika ana e business sika no so say won so sika kro no ana posifo say na ni sika kro no ye de na mo nyina mo gi sika kro no na mo wo se ba beji no wo fa ho we se so ba beji no ba bi foforo na ye hwe ba bi ana o mo da no hotel ba ko ana no mo mienu nyina enso eda ewo famanta mu ho eho ena omo de koso omo muku a sabre omo etoto omo no wo se ye di kan na omo se omo nim omo ho afede omo nim omo ho eti se ye ken omo kopie mu ewo court no omo anya lawyer ni bi ama na nyina wo omo achi enti omo ka se omo nifo ena na omo se ye mo beli eno so no e ade a court ama kwan eti se ye ka se ye ide ye de omo akwakoto kukumu a woguso eye nhwehwemu omo ne Nigeria fo no ena omo guso a omo ye na nkrofo no omo kasa wo Nigeria fo no ewo Nigeria manim no Nigeria intelligence chese omo achisa nkrofo no omo so di nkita ho ewo ho no eti sabre ye ide se di pamiensa omo di kan se omo eba no omo nya meduru ye eti de omo be kan se ya hwe yie we eye chronicle kratofa a etoso miensa ena ode eba ye.
So basically, these people were coming to Ghana to come and do kidnapping business. And definitely here being Ghana, if they keep the people here, the question is, where are they going to keep those people? So they will just take the people back to Nigeria, then start asking for ransom, like the way they did to those two Ghanaian women that were rescued. Charlie, we should watch the people that are coming into this country. What are they coming to do? The immigration, Charlie, this ECOWAS thing is really going to be a problem for us all. Because every Nigerian is supposed to just come to Ghana, spend like 3 months, then maybe after they can get residence permit or whatever, or the other like necessary documents. But Charlie, seriously, honestly, this thing is becoming too much. It's becoming too much. So their intention was to come to Ghana and kidnap popular people. In Ghana too, when it comes to our popular people, and most of them don't even go anywhere with security. Most of them don't go anywhere with security because the country is safe. So imagine people coming in with this intention. They can easily kidnap people. they can easily kidnap people. Charlie, we should be careful in this country. Me, I'm happy that the Nigerian security and the Ghana security are collaborating on some of these issues, because honestly, if not, what we are going to be hearing in this Ghana, big ups to the security services, both Nigerian and Ghana, collaborating on some of these things. I'm happy they've been arrested. Now, the ones that were in Ghana, they've been arrested, and also the ones in Nigeria, I guess they've been also arrested. Charlie, we should be careful in this country. Our security. Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry that this video came in 3, yes, but I believe you guys understood well. Yeah, I'm talking about people who don't understand 3. Yes, it's good to bring out video like proof of where you got the video from. So this is where I got my video from. Shout out to you. Hey bro, I don't even know how to call your name. Thanks for putting this video out there. Yeah, at least Nigerians will see and they will respect the relationship that is happening between the Nigerian and the Ghanaian police. Now, big up to them, and may God continue to strengthen each and every one of them and also bless them. Okay, let this unity that they've started become stronger, because I know them coming together, I mean the Ghanaian and Nigerian police coming together to fight against crimes, is going to help both countries. Yeah, it's going to help both countries, because this information that was given to Ghanaian police really helped to bring down these 2 kidnappers. You can imagine if they succeeded, entering Ghana. We're in trouble now. We're in trouble. Nigerians, Mona, come here waiting your brothers do. Mona, come here. I wish I can get their names. Yeah, I wish I can get their names. That's the information I really like. I feel happy getting when I hear their names, because by their names you know where they are from. That's one thing about Nigeria. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to the end. And if this is your first time on this channel and you've not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Don't you want to be the first to get notified? Click that button already. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming through for your girl. You guys are amazing. As you can see how you are elevating me, you're just taking me like I'm flying, pa 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 pa. Yeah, thank you so much. I cannot do this without you. I appreciate, and I want to give a shout out and a very big thank you also to those people that reach out to me during my birthday. Thanks for your wishes. I will never, how can I forget what you guys did? I cannot forget that. Okay, I think I will keep appreciating you to the end of this month. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your kind words, your gifts, your words of encouragement. You guys, I won't lie, this is my best birthday ever. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. You should know that I love you. I love you so much. So now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. I love you always. Bye bye.